Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're aiming to design a sleek modern payment system for your app using Figma, but you want to work smarter, not harder, you're absolutely in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a polished payment UI ready to go, but you'll also know how to harness Figma's templates and tools to drastically speed up your workflow without sacrificing that personal touch. Let's jump right in. First off, the beauty of Figma is that you don't always need to start from a blank canvas. Think of templates like a set of blueprints, professionally crafted foundations that you can build on. This isn't about copying someone else's work, it's about leveraging existing resources so you can focus more quickly on what makes your app unique. So let's head over to Figma's Templates and Tools section. If you've never done this before, don't worry, it's incredibly straightforward. Just look for the search bar or the template library and type in Modern App Payment. Give it a second, and you'll see a range of modern payment system designs pop up, often created by experienced designers who already know what users expect to see in a payment interface. Take a moment here to scroll through your options. Don't rush. Look for a design that resonates with the style of your app. Maybe you love a minimalist interface, or perhaps you're after something bold and colorful. Selecting the right template at this stage gives you a strong starting point and will make your customization process much easier. Once you've found a modern payment design that fits your vision, go ahead and open it in Figma. Here where the fun really begins. Figma lets you customize almost every aspect of a template, from the color palette to typography, button styles, layout spacing, and even little details like icons and text labels. Maybe your brand uses a specific shade of blue, or you want to add extra fields to the payment form. All you need to do is click on the elements you want to tweak and make them yours. Don't be afraid to experiment. Personalizing a template is just like adjusting a store-bought suit. It gets truly yours only after a few careful alterations. If something doesn't look quite right, just undo and try again. And remember, it's totally normal if some adjustments take a little trial and error, especially if you're new to UI design. Once you're happy with your customized payment system, it's time to integrate it into your main design project. Simply select what you need, copy it over, and paste it into your app's actual Figma file. Double-check how it looks alongside your other screens. Consistency is key. A modern payment screen should feel like a natural part of your app, not an afterthought. And that's it. You've just learned how to build a beautiful, functional payment system in Figma in record time, all while keeping your brand front and center. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Leave any questions or thoughts down in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this so you can keep leveling up your design skills. See you in the next one.